Today we're going to start refurbishing this Mercedes soft top roof. It's been sitting in the garage for a long time and it's got rusty. The first thing we're going to do is take these off. These are hex bolts. You might get them off with an Allen key, but a much easier way of doing it is to go along to Toolstation and get yourself a set of hexes that actually fit in a socket set. Once you've got the screws out, this should just pop out. Once you've got these chrome fittings off, you can see that they're quite rusty. You could just use a wire brush to get that rust off, but in actual fact I'm going to use the trusty Evaporust because I don't want to damage the chrome any more than it already is, and then we're just going to wash the Evaporust off and then lube these things up. So I'm going to stick that in the Evaporust overnight and see how we get on. After 24 hours in the Evaporust, these chrome pieces come out looking like new. No need to have scraped them, the chrome isn't in any way damaged, the rust just basically dissolves away.